It's a beautiful Monday afternoon here, and my favorite place, my safe haven. I think there are a lot of guests there dining in, which is so good. The scene is calm. It's um it's very peaceful here. I super love this place. Okay, let's start. So good good afternoon. Today is a Monday. Monday is a good Monday. So I decided not to go on duty because I wanted to rest. So I asked permission from our admin officer to not. Supposedly I'm supposed to go to Tagbilaran to claim something because I had work today. But yesterday kasi we were tasked to go on duty for like 12 hours from 6 a.m. until 6 p.m. in Panglao for ASEAN Summit. So you're part of the emergency medical services. So I was with two doctors and I think four other nurses and a driver. So we're stationed at one. Okay naman. It was also smooth. Thankfully, walang casualties. So, which is very good. Our purpose there is really to make sure that the delegates for the ASEAN 2026 are safe and all well wherever they go to sa venue man or sa, like for example, tourist destinations that they plan to visit. So yun. And today parang ako din a few days ago I also had my flu vaccine shots. Parang okay naman. I'm afebrile. I'm quite not feeling good lang. Medyo maybe it wasn't also stressful in the staging area in Panglao. Para lang siyang um, chill lang naman. So we catered to some patients, mostly mga BFP, yung parang with the changes of weather, parang iba-iba siguro yung nararamdaman nila. So may mga ubo at sipon. So yun. Yan. And also, noong Saturday, yeah, we went to Kapeskay. It's in the central part of Bohol. I hope I'm not mistaken. It's in Danao, Bohol. So napakaganda. So I was with a good friend of mine. So we chilled and ano, ang ganda ng landscape. It's really something that I'm proud of being a Boholano kasi you see the beautiful landscapes, yung mountains ng Bohol, the central part of Bohol. And upon going home, inabanga din kami, which I happened to pass by around beautiful landscapes din. Parang it was Kambitoon na Buwad, Baguhan, parang yung mga areas doon. It's really, really beautiful, guys. It was my first time to pass by those areas. I'm very thankful with Queen Sam as well for bringing me there. So we just went there to Kapeskay in Danao to grab some snack, tempura, and some coffee. So today, yun lang, let me just share you one thing. Kasi parang kasing pumitik ako sa work. Kasi actually, I also have my mistake because it was planned today with my coworker na pupunta kami ng Tagbilaran to get something which I wasn't able to do. And early in the morning, around 7 a.m. because we had to be there at around 8 sana, magkikita kami. But I didn't arrive. I didn't go there pala kasi I got sick. I didn't feel good today. Tapos I have to travel for like almost an hour going there. So parang medyo nagalit siya. Which is totally acceptable naman because I committed last day. It's just that with all the long hours of yung duty and ano, parang hindi ko na kaya. I also had my flu shots. So yun. Let me just share you one thing kasi I'm quite not happy with what he did today because parang kinall out niya ako sa group chat namin, which is not good because to me, I personally messaged him already. So we had a conversation. I also messaged your admin officer, and it's not supposedly to be taken up sa group chat namin because it was a personal thing, like personal discussion. Yun, napasagot talaga ako because I felt like it was not good. I think it's important also for you to understand your coworkers para din ikaw intindihin ka din kasi you all have our shortcomings. Sometimes you don't feel good talaga. And I know my responsibilities. I should go there. Sana, but di talaga kaya with the kasi may mga flu-like symptoms after I got vaccinated. So yun, kung kaya ko lang talaga, I would really go there. But I woke up around 7 in the morning and I told him, sir, parang but we're just gonna get something na pwede naman ipagpaliban for tomorrow. So that's just it. But I'm totally fine. Let me just share you. Parang yung takeaway ko for this one is that understanding your coworkers kasi yun meron tayong mga shortcomings every now and then. At hindi ko naman siya dinitch. I mean, of course, nag-explain naman ako beforehand, but you really have to bring it up to the group chat. So, yun lang yun. And I think as me, consider myself the one who's the victim. Well, he also is. But like when he posted it, so yung parang nagsabi din, may napuna din yung head namin because it should have been discussed privately. It doesn't need to be involved. Tsaka kasi nung unang nag-message ng GC to tell na hindi daw ako sumipot, which I totally understood from him. Pero sana he could message our head, yung admin namin, para dun siya mag-grant, diba, and call me out. Which I also messaged them in advance. When I messaged him, I also messaged our admin officer na, ma'am, baka hindi ako matutuloy. I'll file a leave for today because I'm not feeling good, but I'm okay. I'm di naman febrile naman. It's just that parang pagod lang talaga. So that's just the main scenario. I think nowadays those are examples of triggers from your coworkers that you should not let it pass. It should be processed kasi you will suffer in the future once you just let it pass and you don't process it. It's important to have really good working condition, good working relationship, though you come from different aspects of life. You come from different yung pagpapalaki from different generations. So what's important is really understand kasi if I don't address it, he did this to me twice na. So pag hindi siya na-address at hindi ko in-address, it wouldn't be good. It wouldn't be, parang it will haunt me in the future, I believe. Also the same thing that happened to my coworker who sadly passed away. Parang he had internal struggles. Plus also had, which he died maybe last year ba yun? Or the other year. And I feel like you really have to address whatever situation na andun ka, which haunts you, para hindi ka to not haunt you in the future. So yun lang, and I hope let us choose to be kinder every day para, because we don't know what others are struggling with, diba? So yeah, that's it. Yan lang. Bye!